Unlocking the Power of Compounding Interest. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly useful financial concept, compounding interest. This principle is not just a cornerstone of investing and saving, but also a fantastic example of how time and patience can lead to significant rewards. By understanding compounding interest, you can make informed decisions about your money that will benefit you in the long run. At its core, compounding interest refers to the process where the interest you earn on a sum of money in turn earns interest itself. This is different from simple interest, where you earn interest only on the original amount, or the principal. Compounding interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, interest, growing bigger and faster over time. To understand how compounding interest works, let's break it down with an example. Imagine you have $1,000 in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5% compounded annually. In the first year, you'd earn $50 in interest, 5% of $1,000, making your total $1,050. In the second year, you earn interest not just on your original $1,000 but also on the $50 interest from the first year, totaling $1,102.50. Over time, this process leads to your money growing at an accelerating rate. A handy tool to understand in the context of compounding interest is the Rule of 72. This simple formula gives you a rough estimate of how long it will take for your investment to double at a given interest rate. You simply divide 72 by the annual interest rate. For example, if your interest rate is 6%, your investment will double in roughly 12 years. 72 divided by 6 equals 12. This rule highlights the power of compounding over time. The frequency of compounding can significantly impact how much interest you earn. Interest can be compounded on various schedules: annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, or even daily. The more frequently interest is compounded, the more interest you will earn over time. This is because each compounding period adds more to the principal amount that will earn interest in the next period. Compounding interest is a fundamental concept in finance that illustrates the power of time and reinvestment. By starting to save and invest early, and taking advantage of the compounding effect, you can significantly increase your wealth over time. Remember, it's not just about how much money you invest, but also how long you let that money work for you. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of compounding interest for you and inspires you to make your money work harder. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.